Hi children, in the previous video we discussed up to 5 questions. No, in this video we are going to discuss the questions from 6 onwards. Okay, let us see here. What is the question? If 2 and half, 2 and 1 by 2 as is to x. Sorry, 2 and 1 by 2 is to x as is to 12 and 1 by 2 is to 6 and 1 by 4. Then the value of x is. So here x we need to find out. So children, from this one say that 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, here mixed fraction they given, no? So we need to write it as improper fraction. So while you are converting that 2 and half as improper fraction, then here 2 2's 4, 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2 is to x as is to, while converting that 12 and half into that improper fraction, 2 12's 24, 24 plus 1 25, 25 by 2 as is to 6 and 1 by 4 is to 6 and 1 by 4. For 6 24, 24 plus 1 25, so 25 by 4. See children, here 5 by 2 is to x as is to 25 by 2 is to 25 by 4. Clear? Now we need to find that x value. No, what is the relation here? The product of extremes is equal to product of means. From this one, x into 25 by 2 which is equals to 5 by 2 into 25 by 4. 5 by 2 into 25 by 4. From this one, x is equal to 5 by 2 into 25 by 4, and see here children, here 25 by 2 that is in fraction and here that is in product. So product become as division. So in that division also we are having that fraction, no? So that fraction become as reciprocal. So which into 2 by 25, just it's a reciprocal. Okay, now 25 and 25 gets cancelled, 2 1's, 2 2's 4. Okay, and finally here 5 by, here 2 into 2 only there, so 2 2's are 4. So what is the value of x ma here? X is 5 by 4. Which option is correct here? Yes, option C is correct, that is 5 by 4. Okay ma. So see here ma, next 7th question, what they given? If 2ab, a square, b square, comma p are in proportion, then the fourth proportional p is, just they are asking what is the value of p here. Okay, according to that question what they given? 2ab, a square, b square, p are in proportion. In question directly they are saying that these 4 terms are in proportion. So we can keep, we can write this one as 2ab is to a square as is to b square is to p. Okay, so from this one here, a square into b square which is equals to a square b square which is equals to p into 2ab, p into 2ab. From this one, p is equal to a square b square whole by 2ab. Am I clear children? Okay, see here ma, 2 and here 1 time gets cancelled. Okay, here a square is there, no, and here a 1 time is there, so gets cancelled 1 time, so left over 1 time is there. And in the same way here b cancels here 1 time, so left over 1 time is there, so which is equals to ab by 2. Just they are asking p value only, no, so p is equals to ab by 2. Which option is correct ma here? Yes, option B is correct, that is ab by 2. Okay, see here next 8th question, what they given? Yes, the number that should be added to, the number that should be added to each of the numbers. So what are the given numbers here? Given numbers are 8, 20, 12, 28. To make the new numbers proportional, to make the new numbers proportional. So in that question what they are saying ma here? Given numbers are 8, 20, 12 and 28. One of the number, the same number should be added to those 4 numbers also. Okay, then we need to make that new numbers are in proportion. New numbers are in proportion. Then what number we have to add to these 4 numbers also. Okay, so in this way we can write this one as new numbers. Let new numbers are What is the first number here? 8. We need to add something here, right? So the new number is 8 plus x. That is the first term. The second term is 20 plus x. Third term is 12 plus x. Fourth term is 28 plus x. So if you add one of the particular number to that all the numbers, then you will get that new numbers, right? So here see that these 4 numbers to make it as in proportion. So that's why here proportion means what? The equality of two ratios plus x as is to 12 plus x is to 28 plus x. Clear ma? So from this one here we can write this one as 8 plus x by 20 plus x, which is equals to 12 plus x by 28 plus x. Directly we can use this process. Why? Because here plus x is there in all the terms. So that's why. Here we can take that cross multiplication. While doing that cross multiplication, we will get that value. Okay. Just go for that cross multiplication. 8 plus x into 28 plus x, which is equals to 12 plus x into 20 plus x. 12 plus x into 20 plus x. Simplify this one now. 8 into 28. 8 8 is 64. 8 to 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 16 plus 6 is 22. 224. Plus 8 into x is 8x. Plus 28 into x is 28x. Plus x into x is x square, which is equals to, okay, so 12 to 24, 240, plus 12 into x is 12x, plus 20 into x is 20x, plus x into x is x square. Clear ma? Now simplification say that x square and x square gets cancelled. Why? Because both sides also x square is there with the same sign, with the same positive sign. Okay, so that's why x square and x square gets cancelled. Next, 224 plus 28 plus 8 is 36x. Okay, which is equals to 240 plus 12 plus 20, which is equals to 32x. 32x. Just transpose the terms here. 36x minus 32x, which is equals to 240 minus 224. Okay, which is equals to 36 minus 32, which is equals to here 4x, which is equals to here 240 minus 224, which is equals to 16. Which is equals to 16. From this one, x is equal to 16 by 4. 4 ones, 4 fours, which is equals to x is equal to 4. Okay, x is equal to 4. Understand ma? Just they are asking what is the value of x now, which number we have to add to that all the 4 numbers, then we have to make those numbers are in proportion. So x is equal to, we got that 4, right? Just add that 4 here. 8 plus 4, 20 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 28 plus 4, which is equals to 8 plus 4 is 12, is to 20 plus 4 is 24, as is to 12 plus 4 is 16, is to 32. Okay, from this one, 12 ones, 12 twos, 16 ones, 16 twos. So the new numbers are in proportion or not? 1 is to 2 as is to 1 is to 2. We are getting those two ratios are equal. Okay, from this one we can say that what is the value of x? 4. If you add 4 to that all the given numbers, then the new numbers will be formed and the new numbers are in a proportion. Understand? So this is question number 8. Next you see that question number 9. What they given in that question number 9? If x 8, 16, x 8, 16 are in proportion, then the value of x, see here ma, x 8, 16 are in proportion, then the value of x. So again children, here they given in the form of a, b, c are in proportion. A, b, c are in proportion, which means a comma b comma c are in a proportion, which means continued proportion. Continued proportion. Okay, from this one, A is to B, as is to B is to C. Continued proportion, no? So from this one, what we need to find out here? A is to B, as is to B is to C. Clear? So B square is equal to AC. B square is equal to AC. From this one, X is to 8, as is to 8 is to 16. From this one, B square is equal to AC. 8 square is equal to 16 into X. So 8 square is equal to, we can write this one as X is equal to 8 square by 16. Okay, from this one, 8 square is 64 by 16. 16 ones, 16 fours is 64. What is the value of X here? X is equal to 4. Okay, so here these are in proportion or not? See here, no? X 8 16. We can write this one as 4 is to 8, as is to 8 is to 16. 4 ones, 4 twos. 8 ones, 8 twos. So here 1 is to 2, as is to 1 is to 2. So these two ratios are equal right here. Understand, ma? So here what is the answer? X is equal to 4. Option D is correct here. Am I clear, children? Yes. Let us say that question number 10. Question number 10 also just same like the previous one, same model only, but here two values are given. X, two set of values, X 5, 10, 5, 10, Y are in proportion, then the value of X and Y. Then the value of X and Y. So first to say that the first set of numbers, X is to 5, as is to 5 is to 10. Why? Because here already they given X 5, 10 are in proportion. X, 5, 10 are in proportion. So here 5 square is equals to 10 into X. So 10 into X is equal to 5 into 5. From this X is equal to 5 into 5 by 10. 5 ones, 5 twos, which is equals to 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2, and here they given in mixed fraction, no? So see here, we can write this one as 2 and 1 by 2. What is the value of X here? X is equal to 2 and 1 by 2. 2 and 1 by 2. And in the same way here, Y value. How to find that Y value here? Then the value of Y, they given another set. 5, 10, Y are in proportion. 5, 10, Y are in proportion. See here, again same condition apply that 5 is to 10, as is to 10 is to Y. So 10 square, 10 into 10 is equal to 5 into Y. From this, Y is equal to 10 into 10 by 5. 5 ones, 5 twos. Y is equals to 10 twos 20. So this is the value of Y. Now what are the values of X and Y here? X is equal to 2.5 and Y is equal to 20. Okay. So which option is correct, ma? Here Y is equal to 20, X is equal to 2.5. So option D is correct here. Okay, these are the values of X is equal to 2.5. If you substitute X is equal to 2.5, which means 5 by 2 at these places, then the numbers are in proportion. And in the same way, if you keep that Y is equal to 20, then this set of numbers are in proportion. Okay, children. So these are the questions what they given in that worksheet 3. Okay. Next, again we will meet with the next worksheet problems. Okay. Thank you all.